2006 Hummer H2. This is what it sounds like before. Again. Got a Flowmaster Super 50 on it. Here's sound decibels. Again. 97. So we're gonna change it up, put a Flowchaser on it, get it a little bit louder for you guys. But I wanted you guys to hear it, what it sounded like before. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So it's got cats. Yeah, there and there. You know about that, all that good stuff. And these Hummers come true dualed from the factory. And it's got a Flowmaster Super 50 on it, all rusted out, with a giant hole in the back. The tailpipe is still good for now. We're gonna change that tailpipe. All right, so there it is. That's what it looks like before. We're gonna cut it here and change everything because it's all rotted out. I didn't notice the tailpipe was that rotted. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll show you guys what we're gonna do after. All right, guys, so you heard what it sounded like before and saw what it looked like before. This is after. Beautiful Hummer H2. He's had it since 2012. So you can tell he's been taking care of it. Every time something breaks, he fixes it. Anyways, there's the converters right there, right there. Then it true duals out the back. And then, so we took that Super 50 off and installed a Flowchaser Muffler, part number 930402. There'll be a link in the description for it. And then 3-inch tailpipe out the back, all new, nice, clean, compared to what it was before. There it is. Really nice job. My guys outdid themselves as usual, thanks to the Exhaust Addicts crew. And as you guys can see, there's the old tailpipe that's all rotted out. He's had it on there since 17. And there's the Flowmaster that rotted out too. Just age gets to him. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you guys like, comment, and hit that subscribe. 2006 Hummer H2 Flowchaser Muffler and tailpipe. Got a nice idle to it too. Give me gas. It's a clean tone. What do you guys think? Again? Here's sound decibels. Again. It's staying right under 100. That's what he wanted. He didn't want it too loud. Much better. Now it sounds like a Hummer. And it's clean and idle. It's not too loud, just perfect tone. So you approve? You give us the thumbs up? All right, he likes it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number if you guys want. Give us a call. And we'll get you guys hooked up with any questions. Give you some answers. Beautiful Hummer H2 with a Flowchaser muffler. She ready for anything. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Hummer H2. He's got bolts broken, the manifold. He's gonna bring it back. We're gonna fix that. That's the noise you guys are hearing.